Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we are from Group 2. We'll present about our discussion result about the observation result of basal stem root disease of oil palm. Before we start our presentation today, I will introduce our member. I am Farika Retama Pujarini with study number 060, Fitria Indah Susanti with study number 056, Desi Cahyanti with study number 058, Nur Hofifa with study number 059, Fujianti with study number 062, and Erika Hutasoid with study number 064.
As for topic of discussion, namely, the first is the ends of observation, description, observation, sampling, decision, and then conclusion. The ends of observation, comparing oil palm seed with the addition of Trichoderma sp and without Trichoderma sp at main nursery.
Description: name of disease, basal system root, pathogen Ganoderma boninense, hot plant palm oil. Basal system root, which caused by Ganoderma boninense, is the descriptive disease on palm plantation in Indonesia and Malaysia. This pathogen don't just attack all plants, but also young on scrutiny. The infection of RBS in running, getting faster agility on land with gately texture. Description: Ganoderma bionensis in the pathogen fungus that cause basal system root and is an important disease in oil palm in Indonesia. Ganoderma sp has basidiocrab shaped like a fan with a manual circle. That surface has a purplish brown color and with eggs. That lower part of the fruit, Ganoderma yellowish with and has spores. Morphology character of Ganoderma isolate white in color white texture, white surface texture. Symptom of Ganoderma attack do not only attack oil palm during production, but can also attack nursery stage. Symptom of disease in fruit and sending after the emergence of Ganoderma fruit body growth and the base of the stem flowed by necrosis, tissue death in left spot due to lack of nutrient and can cause the death of support and sending.
The next observation. Place, UPN Veteran Yogyakarta Agricultural Farm at Wedomartani. Object of observation, oil palm seedling. Treatment, media with Trichoderma sp and media without Trichoderma sp. Next. Interval of observation. Observation were made once a week from 1 week after planting to 12 week after planting. The parameter observed were the presence or absence of Ganoderma boninense mycelium on the soil surface, around the root system and the root neck of oil palm seedling for 12 weeks after planting. The presence or absence of Ganoderma boninense fruiting bodies of the soil surface around the root system and root neck of oil palm seedling for 12 weeks after planting.
Okay, next we talk about sampling. Okay, this is our ground sketches of oil palm seedlings, and the size of the main nursery area are 32.4 square meter, and the number of the observation blocks are 4 blocks, 2 blocks for each treatment. So 2 blocks for media without trichoderma and 2 blocks with media with trichoderma. The number of samples that we use are 16 samples of 40 seedling plants, and sample distribution pattern is random sampling. Uh, we decided to take random sampling because we know that the planting media used come from the same source. So the possibility of spreading the disease is same for each plant. Next. This is the all ground sketches for 1 block. From 10 seedling plant, we took for random sampling with draw, and we did it in every sample blocks. So 2 blocks, 1 treatment that have 8 samples for each treatment. Next.
Okay. This is a table and chart of disease intensity. Media without Trichoderma sp, observation of 1 week after planting were 0% and experienced an increase up to 12 weeks after planting, namely the result obtained by 75% with a mean yield of 42%. And media with Trichoderma sp, observation at 1 week after planting of 0% and increase up to 12 weeks after planting of 68.75%, means 37%. Next. This is a table and chart of our DPC. Media without Trichoderma sp, mean of 0.42, and media with Trichoderma sp, mean 0.37. Seen in the ODPC chart of media without Trichoderma sp has higher yield compared to media with Trichoderma sp.
Ganoderma boninense is known not only to attack oil palm plants at the production stage, but also to attack during the nursery stage. Therefore, the use of biological fertilizers or biofungicide, Trichoderma sp can be given from the beginning of germination to seedling to reduce the attack of basal stem of root disease in oil palm plants at the production stage. Next. And the conclusion is, based on the observation, it appears that Trichoderma sp can suppress the development of Ganoderma in oil palm nursery. Development of control methods by making use the antagonist body quite promising. Trichoderma sp, so far known to have the ability antagonist to other body, so have the opportunity to be developed into one of the biological control agent of fungi Ganoderma boninense. For using biology use can praise growth and development of pathogens for a time without causing environmental pollution.
Thank you for your attention, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.